Hi, this is Paul with Golden Gate Enterprises. We have Emanuel here in San Lorenzo. How are you doing today, Emanuel?
Good, Paul. How are you?
Good. Hey, we're finishing up. We just got our final inspection. There's our permit card and the like, so we just got signed off. Finally, a good feeling the job is done, huh, Emanuel?
Oh, yeah, it's done, and we're so happy.
So
you know.
We were talking a little bit, and I asked Emanuel if I could get him on camera here. You were mentioning that you were a bit apprehensive and scared when we first got going, and I think you had interviewed, what, several contractors?
Yeah, I interviewed, it was three contractors, including you, and the first two contractors, we didn't feel too good about it.
Yeah.
But then, with you, you were honest with us, and you just basically told us how it was going to be and everything, and just very straight up honest with us on everything, in terms of financials, in terms of dates, construction, the people, you work with, all this stuff. So it was better, and as you can see now, everything's done, and my wife and I are just super happy. So
good. So I think you had mentioned that was it a neighbor down the road or something down the street that had a contractor working, and I think they're still finishing it up.
That's true. Yeah, it's been probably about 2 years, and they've went through, I think it was like 2 or 3 contractors, and that was my biggest worry in the beginning. I heard all these horror stories, but working with you and Steve and Felipe and Franco, those guys are artists. They know what they're doing. They're actually my friends now, so very
good. That's pretty cool to hear that, and it happens actually more often than not. And what I try to explain to people is, we're all consumers. We get it, and shopping and money and all that's important. But the points I like to bring out and see if you would kind of confirm this is, you can start a project, and it may start out at X amount of dollars, but regardless of how well you kind of plan it, there's always things that are potentially unanticipated, or things that you want to change or upgrade. And you got to have a contractor that you can work with to work through it, number one, and number two, treats you fairly along the way. And as I explain to people, the most important thing is to marry up with a contractor that you feel comfortable with, that's not going to screw you, right? Because in this business, you hear the horror stories left and right.
Exactly. And like I tell my wife, we really lucked out. So thank you, Paul.
Well, thank you. It's been a pleasure to work with you, and I too consider you a friend.
Yeah,
thanks very much. Yeah, good guy. Thanks, Emanuel. I appreciate it.